Welcome back to another Tech Tips. If you haven't watched our quick preview video showing what SnapBill AI can do, make sure to check that out first. Today, we're building this exact app step by step. We'll start with the data structure, which uses two simple tables, a master table for the receipt details and a slave table for the line items. Just follow the layout on screen to set up your tables. For the total amount in the master table, we're using a virtual column, so the math updates automatically. In the slave table, we'll add a quick formula to calculate the line item totals automatically. I've also set up two slices here. This step is optional, but it's a great practice for keeping your data views organized. Next, let's configure the user interface. On screen, you'll see how we set up the primary views for our master table, including the list, detail, and form views, along with the list and detail views for our slave table. Because of our parent-child setup, the line items will neatly display directly inside the main receipt view. Now for the magic, the automation bot. We'll create a bot that triggers whenever a new receipt photo is added. This runs 5 simple AI tasks to capture the bill number, line items, date, merchant name, and address. For the extra instructions in each AI task, you can use prompts generated by Gemini. If you'd like those exact prompts, just drop a comment below and we'll gladly share them. As you can see, this app is super easy to build. In under 5 minutes, you can fully automate your receipt tracking and eliminate messy manual typing forever. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to another Tech Tips, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.